Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the hub bearing on a 2006 Toyota Sienna. Okay, the first you need to remove the brake calipers out and the rotor out, retux out, and loosen the axle nut, and you're gonna see number 14 inside for nut, and you can pop it. Okay, let's start again. This is number 14. I do this video a little bit cut on how to remove the stuff. This is number 14. And just knocks it. Come out. Okay, it's come out that way. No problem. Need to crack loose the brake line a little bit. Don't want to get damage to it. Come out. See guys, the hot bearing come out. Very simple. And I replaced with a hot bearing. Is a MOOG brand I got from International AutoPart. Okay, let me install it. Here's a new hub bearing look like. Okay, reinstall it. Perfect fitted. And the rear hub bearing, it was not that hard to install it comparable to the front one. Very different. The front a little bit tough and picky too. Let's install a 4 nut. Put everything back on this one. I cut it in the first, remove the brake caliper and the rotors out. It's good now, and ties up the axle nut in here. me double check the bearing. Not that it's very important. Install a brake rotor. Just reduce one nut. You're not too cold. I don't want the rotor move. Number 17 for the brake caliper. Doesn't want to go. Okay, ties up. Seventeen. Okay, it's almost done. Gonna put the tire. Okay, right now everything is all set. Thank you guys for watching. Any question, just let me know. Okay, thank you. Yeah, goodbye.